Hey fam, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas, honey. You already know the spiel. I'm uploading a video every single day in the month of December. So go ahead and tap that bell, have the notifications turned on so you do not fall behind. Today, I will be trying Boxycharm for the very first time today. This is not a sponsorship, but you know they did go ahead and make your girl an affiliate. So you know by the end of this video, if you want to go ahead and try this box out yourself, there will be an affiliate link down below in the description box that does pay me a little bit of a coin. If you do go ahead and shop through it or sign up through it, whatever you want to do, sis. It's just there for your convenience. So back in the day, like back in high school, you know, I subscribed to the Ipsy Glam Bag. I think I subscribed to Glossy Box. But you know what, Ipsy Glam Bag, you know, I got kind of sick and tired of just being sent samples. I mean, I think they have a new box now, which is like Luxe, like full-size products. But you know, I got a little sick and tired of, you know, the little samples. Like, sis, I don't want a sample. I want the full thing. And Boxycharm always has like full-size products, so you know, I'm really excited. I want full-size items. I don't freaking want samples, okay? You guys probably always see the beauty gurus on Instagram creating their sponsored posts with Boxycharm. You know, one day, that'll be me, sis, okay? And not only do they have Boxycharm, the original box, they have like Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium. For the good girls out there who want to spend a little bit more extra coin, this is the November box, by the way. I know you're seeing this in December, hello to the future, but this is going to be the November box. So, you know, the December box will be on my Instagram page, I believe. So without further congé, if you are interested in tuning into today's video where I will be trying Boxycharm for the very first time, the November box, Boxycharm for the very first time, then subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads or every upload this month. And will you tap that bell and pop up. Click on options to ensure all notifications are enabled, including my creator posts, sis. And stay tuned to keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so I'm on the Boxycharm website, so just in case you're not familiar with her, or you know, you've heard about her but not really sure what the value is, so you pay $25 a month for the original Boxycharm box. But they do have more expensive ones like Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium or something like that. Don't quote me. Let me look on the site, okay? So for $25 per month, you are like guaranteed to get over a $250 value in the box. And you get 5 full items. And you could customize it, okay? I'm on the site, y'all. I'm on the site. Oh, I'm playing. They got me. Okay, so here are the actual box comparisons. Boxycharm is what I have right now. $25 a month, and you get over $125 value. Boxy Luxe is $50 a month, or $49.99, whatever, okay? You get over a $275 value, and then Boxy Premium is a little bit cheaper than Boxy Luxe, but a little bit more expensive than Boxycharm. That is $35 a month, and you get over $175 value in the box. Guaranteed, I hope so. So let's see what we got in our box. This is what the box looks like. We have some red interior designing. We have Hello Charmer on the little thing. I don't know what you call this. You have your little pamphlet that lets you know what's up in this thing, and you have some coupon codes for Dragon Beauty and Natasha Denona. So I guess coupon codes exclusive for the Boxycharmers. What's the value of this box? Let me just add it up. Okay, you get a little Becca Cosmetics sample in here. See, these are what Ipsy Glam Bags just had. I'm playing. Let me stop talking mess, because I was subscribed for like 2 years. Okay, so what we have in here? We have the Dominique Cosmetics. Ooh, yes, I'm excited to try Dominique Cosmetics. We have her Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette, which retails for $35, and you get the full palette. Inside of here comes, you know, a protective plastic casing. She's real cute. I already peeped the palette, you know, so I can match it, duh. And this is what the color layout of the palette looks like. Really cute. I'm really excited to try her palette. You know, it's really cool to see a YouTuber start their own cosmetic line and then be in Ulta and Sephora. Like, that's really cool. She's doing her thing, honey. Now we have this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, which is $50. So she's right here. Okay, skincare. I love skincare. I'll just put that on my eyes. I've tried Juice Beauty in the past, but I haven't tried her recently, so I'm excited to try that. That's a good quality thing. Then we have the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. What's this shade? Oh, Champagne Pop. I had this way back in the day. Okay, you get a full highlighter. This is 38 Zwallas. You have some Lily lashes, faux mink lashes exclusive to Boxycharm, which are 25 Zwallas. I just don't understand why faux mink lashes are so expensive. Why are we paying $25? Well, I mean, I'm not paying for it. Also, basically the lashes are the price of this whole box because they're $25. But like if they're faux mink, if they're plastic basically, why the hell are they $25? What are we paying for? And lastly, you have the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set, which is something I probably won't use. And this is 35 Zwallers. So both of these brushes together are $35. They're an interesting shape. I don't know, it's probably something I wouldn't use. So this is like a product I don't really care about. But let's add all this up. Where my phone at? Where my phone at, cuz? All right, we have 35 plus 50 plus 38 plus 25. Okay, it's 148 if you don't include those Boxycharm brushes. So I mean, that's cool. You get $150 worth of stuff and you only pay $25 for it plus 35. So it's a $183 box for the November box. We'll see what the December box is like. I know you're like, Aaliyah, stop the doggone talking, sis. I know, let's get into it. I think we're gonna first start off with this Juice Beauty. I mean, I already did my skincare routine, but hey, let's try this out first. She 50 Zwallas. She's nice, long, a cylinder packaging, if you will. Brushed chrome. Oh, this is cool. It's this thing you just really slide in. Okay. Let's pump it out. You pump it out like this, like so. You just pump it. Okay, a little bit came out. Now let's, okay. Let's rub this in. When I apply eye treatment, I do it around my whole eye. Like, get the lids too, girl. We need them lids to be nice and moist and plump too. Get my dips. What does it smell like? Oh, doesn't smell like anything. Cool. We don't need fragrance in this house unless it's perfume and it's going on our body. I already applied eye cream today, but it's okay. We can do another round. One more pump. Do this eye. I like this because you're not dipping your finger in a jar of like eye cream and contaminating, you know, the whole entire container. It just comes out as you need be. You just rub it on and you can disinfect this tip if you need to. Okay, let's get them lids, girl. Even one pump is a little bit too much. I guess you can use one pump on both eyes. Okay, let me like tap this in with my finger. It feels very serum-y, not thick at all. This will prep our eyes for concealer and powder, so we look nice and moist underneath that makeup. Okay, she's real cute. She doesn't sting. She feels good. I guess I'll start off with eyeshadow first. Or should I go ahead and do my base, come back and do eyeshadow? You know what? I don't know, because I don't know if Dominique Cosmetics is going to fall out on me. But we're gonna use this pink, honey, this blue. Okay, that's cute. I was gonna do browns, but I've been doing browns lately, and the girls will clock you if you keep doing the same looks in a row. But sometimes I'm just lazy, okay? We're lazy. We're everyday people too. We want to do the same looks too. All right, let me go ahead and quickly prime my lids. I'm just going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Golden Beige. And then let's dibble and dabble into this eye shadow. Lids are primed to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to go ahead and dibble into Champagne Pop. I haven't used this since like, I was like 19, 20? One of those ages. I haven't used this in a long time. I don't even know what my original one is. Y'all know Becca's packaging. Oh, I forgot how beautiful this was. Yes. This is the shade of Champagne Pop. This was like Jaclyn Hill's signature, what do you call it? Signature highlighting shade from them. It's like they had a collab together, right? And then they just made Champagne Pop like a staple shade in their highlight collection. Funny, Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics did reach out to me, and I'm actually excited to see how she's improved since, you know, that whole catastrophe with the lipsticks, honey. Woo! That was a mess. Now she has highlighters, so I definitely want to try some Jaclyn Hill highlighters because she is known for her glow. Yes, she is. Ooh, this highlighter is so pretty. I forgot how pretty it is. Okay, let's apply this to our brow bone. Oh, yes! Oh yeah, I forgot how good this is. Yes, it's like the perfect champagne color. Oh yeah, such a pretty, subtle beaming glow. Can't wait to put this on my cheekbone. This is my better brow bone. She is just perfecto. But like, this is my favorite side of my face, but this is my better brow bone and my better brow. Jesus had to humble me, didn't he? He had to humble my ass. Let's create a look. I don't even know what look I want to create. I think I do want to just keep it simple but still colorful. Yeah, just simple but colorful. I don't want to stress myself out. I don't want to stress myself out. First, we got to see if her shadow formula is it, okay? Dominique. Dominique is such a pretty name. Like, I love the name Dominique. You can also do a really cool soft glam. Okay, this is called Lucid Dream. Let's go into Lucid Dream and let's blend this all in the crease, you know, all in the crease and, you know, the outer corner, but we're gonna make it soft. Let's see how she applies. Okay, pigment. Okay. This is like the exact pink of my head wrap. You know, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. It might be a little extra, but it's doable. Okay, she's packed on. The pigment is there. Now we're just gonna slowly start to bluff it out. I'm gonna wing it out a little bit. Let's wing it out. Have a nice blown out look. Blends out really nicely. We are nice and blown out. I'm going to cut my crease real quick. I wonder if I should cut it all the way. Like, should I? I don't know. Let me cut well, I'm gonna do a double cut crease kind of thing. I think I should. Okay, let's cut it all the way. I know, extra, but we're gonna do it. I'm gonna cut it really high. And I did all this pink work to cut the crease because I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, I won't do it all the way because I'm gonna cut it again. Ain't no point in bringing it all the way down. It's gonna look sloppy before it looks neat. Okay, we're gonna go into this shade called Eternal Light, and we're going to just have a strip of this shadow shade in the double cut crease. It's gonna look so good. This is not the brush for where I need. Okay, let's take a liner brush. We're just gonna try to stamp this on because this is kind of like a glitter shadow, so I need this to be vibrant. Y'all see my vision? All right. I ain't mad at you, Dominique. Okay, your shadows is looking good. Now we're gonna cut the crease one more time, and then we're gonna lay down Mystic Ice, this blue shade, which is gonna be super cohesive with my head wrap. Cut is creased. So lastly, let's apply Mystic Ice, this nice blue shade right there, and we're just gonna pack that over the whole lid. Oh yeah, she is pigmented. Okay, this is a really good palette. They gonna look at me like I'm crazy. Like, girl, why you so matchy? Hopefully this doesn't look bad. Let's hope it looks good. I'm having doubts now, but the palette's cute, sis. Okay, you all, this is as neat as it's gonna get. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a wing, a black wing. You know, I was gonna do a silver wing, but you know, that was kind of giving me some problems. I'm gonna use both the Huda Beauty and the Balm Cosmetics Shliner. Huda Beauty is more black, but then the Balm is more fluid. So I'm just gonna use Huda Beauty and then clean it up with Miss Balm. This is our eye. This looks so much better. This looks so good. Let me go ahead and do the other eye and my face off camera, and then we'll finish off the face with this highlight. We're gonna pop on these lashes, and I'll give my thoughts on the Boxycharm box. Face is beat. I did go ahead and add, what's this called? Lucid Dream to the lower lash line, as well as Eternal Light to the inner corner. Ooh, we creasing. Ooh, I'll fix it later. Okay, all we have left is these lashes by Lily Lashes. These are in the style CEO. They're a synthetic lash, kind of cute. I feel like it's not dramatic enough for this look, but you know, it's okay. Who cares? Let's apply Champagne Pop to our face. This looks so good in the pan. Yes. Oh yes. Just as good as I remember. You know when you have used a good product, you haven't used it in like years, and then you finally use it again, and then you realize how good it really was? This is that. I don't know why my eyes are red. I don't know. We have Huda Beauty Girls Trip, I think, right? Because I know y'all finna ask. Yes, the Girls Trip Power Bullet Matte Lipstick on the lips. I really like this shade of pink. It's like It's like perfect. Yes, give it to me, Becca. All you need is like one dippage in, like blend out these edges. My eyes are really red. Like, what is going on? I'm not tired. I am not under the influence of anything, and they're just so red. I really pinched the fuck out of my nose today. Okay. Can't forget about our nose. Right in the center. Keep it tight, keep it right in the center. Just a smidge. Yes, this glow is so pretty. This highlight is gonna be back in rotation. Let me look at these lashes. Let's pop these lashes on. I feel like they're going to be, it's okay. I mean, they're very thin, but you know, she may be cute. She may be, y'all, you know, I want to use everything in this box, but I do feel like these lashes, would y'all be mad at me if I don't use these lashes? Okay, let me just put these lashes on. Okay, let me stop playing. She's a real humble lash, if you will. I can't believe these are $25 because they're actually very plasticky. And I myself, I mean, it's cool it came in the box, but I'm just saying, like, people really spend $25 on these Lily lashes. Like, girl, Ardell, you could just go and get you some Ardells because they're plasticky, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, the only thing I didn't use were these brushes, and I just don't really see myself using a brush like this. Like, they're just too dense. Like, what are they for? I don't know. I just wouldn't use this. So, you know, my beat looked really good. Eyeshadow was popping. Shout out to Dominique Cosmetics. She's making some really good shadow formulas because, honey, the pigment, she is there. I look pretty snatched. I think it's really cool to get products that you wouldn't even really try to get at Sephora. You know, sometimes we just want to look at Sephora and we want things, but like we don't want to buy them. You know, okay, I'm the type of person who really contemplates buying something. Did I say that right? I really contemplate buying, I can't even say it, buying something high-end or expensive because I'm just like, well, is it worth it? Do I really need it? Should I spend the coin? Do I deserve this? Have I worked hard enough? Anyways, you know what I'm saying? So it's really cool to get a box that has full-size high-end products that you see at Sephora, you know, that you may not splurge on for yourself and that you can try at full size. So I'm really excited to try the December box. I feel like I have to really get a feel of the box, like over a course of, you know, a couple months, you know, to see what else they're gonna put in the next box and the next box and the next box, what other full-size items I'm gonna get that I can get at Sephora or Ulta, you know what I'm saying? So I'm actually really satisfied with Boxycharm. I'm excited to see the months that are to come. Most of these products were really great high-end quality products. I'm excited to continue using this Juice Beauty eye serum. I fell back in love with Champagne Pop. Like, do you see the glow, sis? I mean, she is beaming. This lash is real humble. Okay, she real. I wouldn't buy this lash with my own money. So, you know, if you want to check out Boxycharm, I would love and appreciate it if you checked it out through the link in my description box. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of coinage if you were to sign up for Boxycharm through that link. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying Boxycharm for the very first time today. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. But if you are new here and this is the first time being on my channel and seeing my face, I would love to see you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel and join me and the Honey Sunny. I love you guys so much. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.